Hello, and welcome to our news show about blizzards. My name is Yakobo, and today's news blizzards. What are blizzards? Blizzards are winter storms, snow, high winds, and very cold temperatures. Everything looks white, strong winds, and heavy snow. How do they start? Cold air meets warm air and forms snowflakes. More and more snow falls, and high winds blows the snow into drifts. Temperatures are very cold. Where do they happen? In Canada, sometimes Minnesota, and the North Pole and South Pole, only in cold places. Effects of blizzards. Wind feels cold. People can get stuck for a long time. Big snow drifts. People can get into a car accident. Hard to walk and drive. Freezing skin. Staying safe. For Brimhall News, this is Yakobo signing off.